Hello there and welcome to Pastel Cloud. This is just a quick disclaimer. This video does contain products with swears. If you aren't comfortable with cussing, this probably isn't the video for you, but please check out some of my other videos or unboxings on the channel. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully we'll have some fun opening up this super cute and great quality little box. So yeah, today we are going to be opening up the Sweary Gay Dinosaur box. I'm super excited. As you can see, there's a little label at the top that says After Dark. That's just giving a quick warning that this is a sweary box, so there does have some products with some swears on. More for me. I'm super excited for it. I opened up the box already, mainly because this box, whilst I was trying to open it, I was like, I'm gonna need a knife for this, the tissue paper and stuff. I just wanted to get in there and have a good look at the products before we even properly unboxed it. So a little warning for that. I love all the cute designs. I love S&S. So this is Sugar and Sloth. Absolutely love their stuff. I've seen so many of their designs and they're just so cool. So when you open up the box, you get a little bit of tissue paper with one of their unique stickers on it. This one's got a little giraffe with a flower crown, which is adorable. We love that. So this one was also kind of marketed as a self-care box. If you don't know, I am actually pansexual, so this box is great. I think regardless of your orientation, you're gonna absolutely love this box if you're part of the community or you just love really cool stuff. So this is what we've got when we open up the box. I have added in the little note and the sticker that was on the outside of the box. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this super cute pin. I love this pin so much. It's just the adorable little dinos, the fact that it has little heart backings on it. It is a metallic enamel pin, so it's going to last a long time. It's got that holographic kind of twinkly vibe to it. I just love it. And here we have the note that came with. I love the message on the front. It just really kind of lifts you up, and you can have a little bit of a read there. But most of the time, Anita, who kind of came up with the creations of these, and she does all the drawings herself, and sometimes even packs them too. So she's absolutely fantastic, and I love her notes. They're just so uplifting. But yeah, the outside the box also came with this little sticker. It says everything's gonna be okay, with the most adorable little snail. I love him. Oh my god. Yeah, I just love the really adorable stuff. So the first proper thing in the box is this lanyard. So each of these adorable little dinos have been drawn by Anita, and they start out life as a little sketch in her sketchbook, and then she slowly kind of adds colour or thinks about where you want to put them. My favourite dino has got to be the transvisibility dino. I just absolutely love it, but just so cute. I'll probably be wearing this when I'm at work, if I need to kind of hang things on myself, or even if I'm out and about and I want to kind of keep my pass with me or something. Yeah, it would be good to wear to conventions when everything finally opens and I can actually go to conventions. So yeah, and then you've got these little long stickers. Now, I'm not awfully sure what these are for at this point, but I'm assuming from the way that the different dinos in different colours that they're almost like little markers, so you could put them round your Filofax as a whole, or you can kind of cut them into strips and put them on like the edge of your letters or stuff like that. Love this badge. Absolutely words to live by. So this one's one of the plastic badges, But again, it's such good quality, and the topper is actually like not bobbly, it's very tight, everything looks great. I just love it. And to be honest, I'm going to be saying I just love this, I just love that. This whole damn video is just, this one, very relevant, very relevant. I will probably be wearing this on my daily, actually. And if you don't really know, I wear a lot of pins as general. So anything that has this kind of sentiment, I'm very into it. Probably stick alongside my Menhera badges. Yeah, add a little brightness to my outfits. If you ever hear anybody talk about the gay agenda, this is the gay agenda. I'm super excited for this. I cannot wait to write some cute notes on this. I love the little and other important stuff underneath. There you go, all the different little dinos in there. Just so cute, just so cute. But that's kind of the style, I guess. I just, yeah, the kind of pomfiness that you just want to cuddle them. Support trans people, or USAC. That's very, very true. This is a little sticky, so you could pop it on your bumper, you could pop it on your laptop. I will probably pop mine in a scrapbook, or I might stick it on the front of a bag, you know. I have a bag recently that I want to try and overhaul. The Sweary Queer Dinosaurs. I'm 100% sure that I'll probably send this to a friend of mine. Quite a lot of these postcards I actually do want to send to people and actually use. Unlike a lot of my other postcards that just kind of sit somewhere. But to be honest, these would also make great little like framed like stuff to pop on the walls. I don't know. I love it. This one is great. This one. Again, nice postcard. The back is so nice quality. I love that the quality is great all the way through every single one of these items. The stars are just super bright. I love that the prints are so vibrant and they're just so friendly. Queer dinosaurs against racism. I think all beings are against racism, really. I love it. I just love it. And of course the little giraffe. So cute. So cute. There we go. And I think this might be our last item. So there was a load of confetti in the box and in the envelope when it came. So I will probably sprinkle that absolutely everywhere for like the final shiny shot, which you guys know I love doing. I love doing these super pretty shiny shots at the end. So in here is actually our final enamel badge. So the enamel badges are my favourite part of any SNS package. I've received a enamel badge from them before, but this one is just top notch. So this one says hella queer on it. I think I show it quite a lot because it is just so pretty. The stars, the little flower, the outline of the dino. I don't know, something's very magical about these. And again with the backing on this one, all of the backs as well tell you how to look after it and a little bit about them and a little bit about what went into actually making the badges. Just think that's so cool. I just think that's so cool. Yeah, just the whole aesthetic is beautiful. And here comes the shiny shot. So I'll leave you guys to just enjoy it.
Life's going on and on and on. I'm not happy losing summer days. I just wanna be alive. Oh, I just wanna work, puppy now. I just wanna work, puppy now. I just wanna work, puppy now. I just wanna work, puppy now.
have it. So we're going to do another shiny shot at the end, and I'm just going to go through some of these bits. But whilst I'm doing that, I'll just very quickly go through why I absolutely love this brand and why I love this box, particularly this box. Of course, this box is so good for kind of the LGBTQ plus community, and it's really kind of giving off that acceptance vibe, but that's the reason that I love this brand. Generally, they have such unconditional love and support from their entirety of the community. They genuinely send happy messages to their followers and their supporters. They have so much awareness for current issues, self-acceptance, general love. All of the items are great quality and so unique in their design. And just generally, they take on their community feedback so seriously that they genuinely want to know if their products are doing well and what kind of products that we love. Every time they bring out some sort of garment, I'm just desperate for it. I can never fully afford it straight away, but I love it. I love absolutely everything that they put out, and the aesthetic is very, very kawaii and just definitely deserves all of the praise that it gets. Yeah, I rate this brand so highly, and I really recommend, if people want to go out and go get the stuff, go out and go get it. They are in so many different places. So I bought this particular box off of Etsy, but you can pick any of the many places. And I'm going to say a little bit of a goodbye there, but this is just goodbye from this little section because we're going to go to the sparkly shot, where I'm going to show you another one of the badges that I have from S&S. This is the cute but stabby badge. I think this is still available, hence why I'm showing it to you. But I received this as my very, very first bit of S&S kit that I got. But it was a gift from my other half, and it means so much to me. So kind of having all of these other extra little bits just adds so much more. Everything was made with genuine love and care and attention. I love Sugar and Sloth, what can I say? It's absolutely fantastic. So thank you so much to Sugar and Sloth, and of course Anita. So you can find them in any of these places, and I will have the link to the box in the description in the many places that you find it. Thank you so much for watching Pastel Cloud. Subscribe for more kawaii content, and let me know what you want to see unboxed yet. Have you got some S&S product? Do you like your S&S product? Tell me all about it in the comments, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye!